our Barndominium garage, and here is one of the reasons.
Hey everybody, it is 9 degrees outside today. It has been in the teens for a week. It's been below freezing for a couple weeks, and one of the nice things about it is it might be snowing outside, but inside the Barndominium, we have an insulated garage with the metal siding on the inside. We have insulated doors, but we have no heat. This is not a heated floor in this section in the garage. There's no heaters in here at all, but it stays above 43 degrees. I think that's the lowest temperature we've gotten, and that's when it's in the teens or single digits outside. So we don't have to winterize the RV. We don't have to worry about the batteries getting too cold to where they lose their charge nearly as fast. So if you're building a Barndominium, don't skimp on your garage. Be sure and insulate the walls, insulate your ceiling. Be sure and have your concrete pad down, and you won't regret it.
Tony's going to show us the thermometer in the garage. We'll go ahead and close the door so we can keep it warm in here. It's so cold out. I bet Tony's cheeks are even red.
So right now here in the garage, it is 42 degrees.
So it was 43, but we've had the door open for 30 minutes.
Yeah, we have the door open.
So, and it just sucks in the cold air. But yeah, yep. So there it is, 42.
Hang 10, like and subscribe. Have fun.